Hello everyone, welcome back to EcoPlants. In today's video, we are going to learn about one of the most famous and loved fruit in the world, the apple. Apple are not just delicious, they are also full of healthy benefits. You have probably heard the saying, an apple a day keep the doctor away. Apple are rich in fiber, vitamin C, making them one of the healthiest fruit you can grow at home. But how exactly do you grow apple? In this video, I will guide you step by step from choosing the right variety, planting, caring, pruning, and dealing with pest and harvesting. By the end, you will know everything about growing your own apple tree successfully. Apple are temperate fruit tree that prefer cold winter and mild summers. There are more than 7,500 apple varieties worldwide, but not all of them can grow in every region. Two main type, dessert apple and cooking apple. Dessert apple is sweet and eaten fresh like Gala variety and Fuji variety, and cooking apple more tart and used for sauce like Granny Smith. Apple tree can live more than 50 year and some even reach 100 year if care for properly. The variety you choose depending on your climate. If you live in a cooler region, variety like Fuji, Honeycrisp, and Gala are perfect. For warm areas, try Enna variety, which require fewer chill hours. Pollination is also important. Most apple tree are not just self-pollination. That mean you need at least two different variety nearby for cross-pollination. Bees are the main pollinators, so keep a bee-friendly garden with help. Apple need cold winter for proper dormancy and fruiting. Depending on the variety, they require between 30 to 100 chill hours below 7 degrees Celsius temperature. Well draining soil, loamy soil is ideal. Soil pH is slightly acidity between 6 to 6.8 pH, rich in organic matter. Avoid planting in waterlogged soil or low-lying areas where frost collect. Best season to plant apple tree is late winter to early spring when they are dormant. Dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and about 2 feet deep. Place the tree upright with the graft union above soil level. Fill the hole with soil, pressing gently to remove air pocket. Water deeply, add mulch around the tree base but keep it away from the trunk. Standard tree 15 to 20 feet apart and dwarf variety 8 to 10 feet apart. Stake young tree for support if you live in a widely area. In first year, water regularly so the root stabilize when mature tree need about 1 to 2 inches of water per week during dry spells. Fertilizing. In early spring, use a balanced fertilizer 10-10-10 and add compost or organic mulch every year. Too much nitrogen will produce lots of leaf but favor fruits. Always water deeply but less frequently to encourage deep root growth. Training apple tree is very important for good fruit production. The most common system is the central leader system. One main trunk with strong side branches. In the first year, remove weak shoots and keep only a few well-spaced branches. Uh, every winter prune to remove dead disease or crossing branches. Thin out crowded areas so sunlight and air can reach inside. Apple tree bear fruit on short spur that can last many years. Never cut too many of them. Apple are prone to a few common problems. First is apple escape, dark escape spot on leaf and fruits. Use resistant variety if possible. And powdery mildew, a white powder on leaves. improve airflow and spraying organic fungicide if needed, and codling moth larva the tunnel inside apple, use pheromone trap. Aphids small insect that suck sap, use neem oil spray. Healthy tree resist problem better regularly pruning, good airflow and clean surrounding, reduce disease risk. In spring, apple tree produce beautiful white or pink flower. Bees are essential for pollination, so avoid using chemical spray during flowering. Fruit thinning. After pollination, many small apple from thin them to about one apple every 6 inches on a branches. This encourages bigger, sweeter, and healthier fruits. Harvest time depend on the variety, early, mid, or late season. Sign of ripeness. The background color change from green to yellow. Apple come off easily when twisted. Seed inside brown. After harvest, eat early season apple quickly. They don't store well. Late season apple like Fuji or Granny Smith can last month in cooling storage. Store apple in a cool, dark place or refrigerator. Don't store them with vegetable because apple release ethylene gas that speed ripening. Apple tree usually start producing fruit in 3 to 5 years after planting. A single mature apple tree can give 100 to 200 pound of apple per year. Apple wood is very hard and if often used for making tools and furniture. Did you know apple are 25% air inside and that's why they can grow float on water? And that's your complete guide on how to grow apples at home. With proper care, apple tree will reward you with delicious, healthy fruits for more years. So, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up and share it with your gardening friends. And subscribe to EcoPlants for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.